Today I wanted to show you the safest, securest, and most professional way to hang a hammock chair from a ceiling joist around your house. Starting at the top here, we have our stainless steel silent running swivel. Now this is an important component because people tend to want to spin around and around in circles when they're sitting in the hammock chair. Now when you spin with a swivel, it's going to turn with you and never come undone from the ceiling. Following on down here, we have the spring that's designed to give you a nice soft sensation, a little bit of a flex and a bounce when you're sitting in the chair. And we also include 18 inches of chain, all stainless steel with the integrated hook. The nice thing about that is it's never going to come loose from the chain. That's a nice safety feature. So these are all the components you're going to find in the silent running spring swivel kit. Looking in the center here, you can see the silent running swivel. We're going to take a closer look at that later. These are the two lag bolts that are going to be used to attach the swivel to the wood beam. Here you have the spring, and on the other side here we have 18 inches of chain with the integrated hook. The next component to take a look at here is the 8-inch biconical hammock chair spring. Now this is designed specifically for use in conjunction with hammock chairs. We make it in this biconical shape, going from small to large, so that it doesn't matter what kind of weight you put into the hammock chair, the spring is going to give you an even amount of flex. So taking a closer look at the silent running swivel, it's all engineered out of stainless steel. That way when you put it outdoors, it's never going to rust out on you. It has a set of bearings right here, so that when you're spinning around in the swing, it's absolutely smooth and silent. Now if this is metal on metal, like some of the other swivels are, you get a nasty grating sound and a nasty grating sensation that comes down through the chain and into the swing itself. Looking at the final component here, this is the 18 inches of chain with the integrated hook. It's all made out of stainless steel, nice and heavy duty, strong and safe and secure. Now here's the basic tools you're going to need to hang your hammock chair. You're going to need a drill bit, which is just a little bit smaller than the lag bolt that's going to attach the swivel to the beam. You're also going to need the ratchet and the 1/2-inch socket.